Are you trying to lose weight for a long time but not really succeeding? You may be doing most things right, but a few mistakes may be why you cannot reach your fitness goal. Here we have listed a few mistakes people make while losing weight. Watch till the end to find out which weight loss mistake you have made. Number 10. Following a detox diet. We have heard many people start their diet during a detox week. This week aims to cleanse the body of all toxins that you have fed it these many years. Let us talk logically. Is it really possible to push out all the toxins from the body in a week if you eat fruits and salads? Detox diet is just a fancy term formulated, but you cannot really detox your body that way. You ate unhealthy food for years. Hence, you have to give your body months of healthy food to remove all the toxins and fat. Do not call this a diet, but a lifestyle change you will sustain for your lifetime. Number 9. Mindless eating. Many of us have the habit of eating food while watching TV and chatting with someone. Well, you are not eating food the right way. The correct method is to focus on what you eat and feel every bite. It is called mindful eating. When you concentrate on the food, you will get better signals from the body, which will indicate when to stop eating. This way, you will do better portion control and still feel content. Number 8. Not taking a break day. This may sound strange, but people who are too dedicated to losing weight also make the mistake of not taking a break day. You cannot always think about workouts and diet. You have to lead a normal life too. This is why you should give yourself a day's break every week. You are allowed to eat meals other than what you usually eat on this break day, which will let you lead a normal life. Number 7. Adding unhealthy sauces. Your intention might be to eat salads every night, but you might add mint mayonnaise or sweet onion sauce to add some flavor. Your salad becomes super tasty, but these sauces have high calories. Hence, the whole idea of eating salad for low-calorie benefits goes down the drain. Always be mindful of what extra ingredient you are adding to the food so that your efforts help you become fit. Number 6. Too low on calories. Yes, you have to control calorie intake to lose weight, but it should not be too low. You cannot starve yourself just to lose weight. When you starve, assuming your body will burn more fat, what really happens is your body understands that it is being starved, hence for survival. The next time you eat something, your body assumes that it needs to conserve energy, therefore stores it as fat. As a result, you will not really lose weight as fast as you want. Thus, never starve yourself to lose weight. Number 5. Following diets originated in other countries. This is another mistake a lot of people make. If a diet regime is popular but is from a different country, then following that may not give you the same result. For starters, the food group listed would be based on that country's climate and produce availability, not yours. This means you will have to spend more to follow a routine that is not natural for your body. From the beginning, everybody is used to certain food groups. Changing that will cause an imbalance. You should always stick to a diet that includes local produce and eat food that your body has been used to since childhood, as it knows how to process it right. Stay away from any global diet plan and choose local. Number 4. Following fad diets. As the name suggests, fad diets really are fake. They do not work simply because they aim to lose weight quickly. These diets are formulated in such a manner that you will lose weight for sure, but only for a short duration. These diet plans are not long-term sustainable, which means once you go off these diets, you will for sure gain more weight. Unfortunately, such diets have become really popular and people fall into their trap. Be the wise one here and stay away from such unscientific diets. Number 3. Giving up every food you love. If you are a food lover who is giving up on every food you love to lose weight, then it is a bad strategy. Weight loss is a long journey that needs to be sustainable. Sacrificing what you love will not last long and you will indulge in more than you intended to. Hence, do not stop yourself from eating anything you love. Just learn to portion control. Number 2. Ignoring workout. You must have heard that weight loss happens with a 70% diet and 30% workout. This is why most people focus on the 70% but miss out on the 30%. Though it is not a significant part, the workout is also essential to losing weight. For starters, it helps you stay motivated, improves your metabolism, reduces stress, and improves your overall health. With so many benefits, you should definitely join a reputed gym to successfully lose weight healthily. And now, the number 1 mistake that most of us may make. That is, number 1, skipping breakfast. Your day should start with a heavy meal. If you skip your breakfast and only drink juices for it, you may temporarily feel full, but hunger pangs can worsen. You will end up overeating. Your day should begin with a balanced diet. Eat cut fruits, a slice of bread, coffee, and some veggies. A full portion meal will give you good energy to start the day. You will be able to focus on work and also you can have a lighter lunch later on. We all have made many mistakes in our weight loss journey over the years. It is natural. You just need to identify the mistakes you make and correct them. There is a reason this is called a journey, as you will find several hurdles along the way. You have to learn from them and move towards your improved health and modified lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you never miss a video. And now, over to you. Are you making any mentioned weight loss mistakes? Leave your comment below. We would love to hear from you.